Welcome to another Jarvis video series video review. In this particular video, we are going to be going over the Death Cross. Okay, it's a really cool intelligence layer within Jarvis, which it can actually track the EMA 50 crossing or getting into the territory, or either crossing over as well, the 200 on a high time frame. Okay. So again, this is all part of the market structure factory strategy. Okay, so as you can see here, in this screen, we are zoomed in, guys. Okay, this is how you move with Jarvis. Okay, zoom in. You know, you already have your 200, you have your 21, and you have your 50, and you have Jarvis. That's basically it. Okay, so let's get started. Um, all right, we have a sell. Boom. Pause it for a second. Here we go. Here's where things get real spooky here. Death cross, down arrow, means that this particular structure that's being built out has reached a death cross zone. Okay, it's an area of interest. This A also means that the lower time frame and the higher time frame also is in alignment. So this is a very, very strong signal. Very, very strong. Again, the market's going to market. Nothing is guaranteed. Jarvis moves with probabilities. But when you see this, it's extremely strong. Also, look at the DNA. Stabilized, structure led, explosive, and the confidence score is a 3. Like, this is go time, people. Okay? So what do? Um, you get this DNA read on this candle when this candle closed. So obviously this has already came down already as it is. So probably the best thing that you can do is enter as a short. Either you're going to enter on this auditing candle that actually created this DNA row, enter here, here, or you can go back to here. So, play it safe. This is already gone already, right? It's already happening. Come here. Now, when you bring your stop, always bring it to the wick, never to the body. Now you got 2 wicks you can use. This guy or this guy. Um, this is the death cross. So I don't know. I'm gonna be a little risky today. I want to put it here, okay? And then you're gonna drag this down. Always, for us, for me, it's 1.5, 1R. But this is a death cross. So let's see what a 2R can do here. Okay, go ahead and play that through. Tap in. Nice. All right, we're on our way. Another tap in. It's okay. There we go. Okay. All right, coming back up. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Remember, it was a death cross in the beginning. Okay. This is another sell signal that came about. But remember, this first structure saw the death cross. All right, so we're gonna keep watching. There you go. Yeah, see the old bands coming down. Look at that. Boom. Tapped in, baby. We're going down. Oh, yeah. We're still going. Okay. So this is what the death cross is. When you see death cross, it's, your ears and eyes should start to get pretty sharp. But when you see a death cross and then you see an A alignment, it'll be two values, either A aligned or C conflict. Basically, they're not on the same um, path. They're not on the same alignment. The high time frame and low time frame is not matching. But this was an A alignment with a death cross zone. So it tells you, yeah, this is looking pretty spooky out here. So again, quick 2R, no problem. This is Jarvis. Check out the Twitter account, Jarvis Market Structure Protocol. We're on Instagram. We're on TikTok. We're building this brand out, and this is going to be the way we believe a lot of traders are going to start trading. And for the elite traders out there, they're going to utilize Jarvis to sharpen their blade. Is all it is. But it's time for new traders to start feeling comfortable in the market and not getting overwhelmed. This is Jarvis.